Hello, bro. Today I want to explore Sanur city. I just want to see how look like at the moment the condition right there during the pandemic corona. Today, 23 of March. Check it out. Okay, now we are in Danau Poso Street. So we start explore Sanur from the south part first. When you see to the right side, there is people waiting for the vaccine. So the street to go to Cemara Street is blocked. And now we turn left. Okay, welcome to Danau Tumblingan Street. You see the left side? Load the car and motorbike and some activities. But when you see the sidewalk, it's very quiet, no people there. And now I make 9-minute video continue without skip. So you will see how look like Sanur at the moment. How busy, how quiet. You will have to ensure if you're watching this video. I see some car and motorbike parking beside the road. I'm happy to see that. And Sanur location is around half an hour driving from the airport to the east part. So if you are stay in Sanur, you can see the sunrise on the beach. In the right side, load the big hotel there, and some days continue with the beach, because the distance from the street to the ocean around 400 meters only. Mostly tourists from Europe, they stay in Sanur, and also all people from other country, they want to stay there because this area is very quiet, very calm, and not so many sellers on the street. Sanur area is not as big as Kuta, but you can find restaurant, shopping, it's very easy there. Also the beach. And the beach right here is very beautiful because in the east part, so in the morning you can go to the beach to see sunrise. When you see the cars parking beside the road, I think people just like make prepare before the international tourism is open on June or July. They prepare by the shop, restaurant and the hotel. But when you see inside the works, it's very empty. It's not people working down there. Parking. It's like a full beside the road. Oh, this is gonna be good for future. There's more people there. They do some activity at the moment. Can you see that on the video? But if you see in the right side or the left side, the shop is still closed. Some shops still closed because they don't starting for the business yet. Because as you know, it's like pandemic corona is gonna be hard for the people to start the business. I'm so sorry as I told you because my camera is not really good quality. So on the video you see it's very dark. So as I told you, I not skip on this video because I just make sure you are see the really happening right there. So that's why even dark I just keep make movie just to make continue movie without skip. In the end of the video, I want to show you how the condition at the moment about the beach, hotel and restaurant in Sanur. And if you see from here on the video, the weather is very beautiful. I mean it's very clear, very sunny up here. On the video, you can see from the right side or the left side. Some shop they still open, but lot the shop that's closed. Because as you know, during this time, it's not so many people come to Bali. And usually on this area, a lot of people come down to the street. They walk on the sidewalk and then do some shopping. So now I will turn right. And now we are in Danau Toba Street. It's the north of Sanur. And now I'll try to go to the beach. As I promise you, I want to show you how the condition about the hotel, side the beach, restaurant, side the beach, and the beach right there. Okay, and now I will go to turn right to go to the beach. Now we are in Segara Ayu Street. It's about 400 meters to the beach. You see the right side, left side, there's some hotel right there. Oh, okay. I see a man. They waiting for the ticket parking. I will to stop first. Okay, now we are reached the beach. The first we will see the restaurant here around the beach. This restaurant exactly on the beach. Segara restaurant. Okay, you can see the table. It's empty. So sad. Now we are explore the beach in Sanur. Okay, this is the beach of Sanur. White sand beach, blue ocean, but very quiet. No people coming. You can see on the video. So sad. Okay, now we will see the hotel. Just by the beach too. It's quiet, isn't it? But some people stay there. I'm happy. Okay, that is the Sanur. So you can see by yourself how look like at the moment in Sanur. Thank you for watching my video, and please wait for the next video because I want more explore another place in Bali. Thank you. Keep stay in touch.